Okay, so our third bit of qualitative data which we're going to present is the responses that you got from the interview questions which you asked in Swanage. And these are going to be on a page entitled Qualitative Data Collection Method 2 in your booklet. So we are going to use this information to create a word cloud. And just some examples here, word clouds from other activities which are easily accessible online. So we go back here to my 5 responses. We're going to use these 5 responses and we're just going to copy them. And we're going to go to a free online word cloud generator, which is called wordclouds.com. When we get into there, you go to word list, and then you just need to clear the words that they have in there already. And there's quite a lot they have in there. We probably won't have as many. Then I'm going to just paste in my responses. Okay. And I'm going to take out any words which we don't really need. There is a, for example, but mixture is a good word. Attractive is a good word that was used in the response. But we've also got ugly in there as well, which kind of contradicts it. So we're just going to take out these words carefully. Nice environment. Okay. Again, we've got ugly here. But I'm going to actually take out, I'm going to put 2 for ugly, and I shall explain that in a second. So what I've done is I've edited down the responses, and I've got put numbers in front of it. So I've got 1 attractive, 2 nice environment, 2 ugly. I took out the second nice and put it within nice environment. 2 mixed match, so I combine mixed match and mixture, and 1 well designed. You know, I've just joined well designed together because that helps it work better in the word cloud. I then go to apply, so apply this within here. I'll just close this down. And it's put all of the words in here in a nice little word cloud. So you'll see that the ones which have 2 people saying that response are larger than the ones which have 1. And when you're in here, you can do all sorts of things. You can change the font. So you could go for maybe an easier to read font, perhaps, or a font that you're comfortable with. And then when you've got that word cloud, you can simply either print screen it, or there's various options it gives you to save the file. So you could just save it as a JPEG, that'd be the best one. Call it word cloud 1. Click OK, and that will be saved within your files. And then we're just going to look at where we place this inside our document. So in the document we've been working in, you have 3 spaces for results. The first one was your photo annotation, the second one, field sketch. The third one's going to be your results here for your word cloud from your interviews. Okay, so I'm going to call this word cloud for interviews or interview responses. I'm just going to copy in a particular question. Okay. And then we're going to insert the JPEG in my drive. Hopefully it will come up quickly. And here's the word cloud from earlier. And that's gone straight in there. Okay. We need to just do a little bit of a playing around in order to get it all on one page so it looks nice with a title. But that's just something we need to play around. But you can see the actual word cloud has gone into your document. You need to do those for all 3 of your interview questions.